Now we see about the registers of 8085. As seen in the architecture of 8085, these are the registers. First is W and Z registers. Each register is 8-bit wide. The W register and Z register is not accessible by the user. The user means the programmer. These two registers are temporary register which is utilized by 8085 core. So we can't utilize W register and Z register. The other register, for example B register, C register, D register, E register, H register and L register. These registers we can access by using our instructions. Each register is 8-bit wide. That means a single register can hold 8 binary bits, zeros and ones. In 8085, there is an option to access 16 bits by combining two registers. For example, if I want a 16-bit number means I can combine B register and C register into a single register. This is called register pair. A pair of registers. Yes, the pair means it is 2. So by combining two 8-bit registers, we can get 16-bit accessibility. Here you have to understand one thing. You can pair the side one. For example, if you have to combine B register and C register only. You can't combine B register and D register. There is no such provisions. Okay, so this B register and C register only can be combined, not in vertical way. So for example, B register, D register you can't combine, C register, E register you can't combine. If you want 16-bit access, you can combine B register, C register. So it is BC register pair. Otherwise D register, E register, that is DE register pair. Or H register, L register, that is HL register pair. This HL register pair also named as M. That means a memory. This HL register pair is mostly used to hold the address. This register can be accessed by giving HL register pair or just giving a letter M. This is just a notation to address H and L register pair. So what is 8-bit register means? For example, if I am taking a D register, it is 8-bit wide. 8-bit means there is 8 flip-flops. Each flip-flop can hold single digit. This is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can ask a question, why we are writing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this bit positions in a reverse order. By general, we should mention this bit as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But in digital, we mentioning in reverse order. This is called Little Indian format. This is a byte format which is popularly used by Intel architectures. And another one architecture is Big Indian. In Big Indian architecture, you can name the position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's just a bit positioning. While we are using a Little Indian format, there is nothing advantages and disadvantages between these two type of byte formats. Both are same. The next one you should understand is conversion from hexadecimal to binary. For example, if I am giving 3A, a value called 3A, this is an hexadecimal value. How this 3A stored to your 8-bit register? So 3 is converted to binary as 0011. The same way A is converted as 1010. By filling this, now this bit positions will come 0011 and A 1010. So now you can say this most significant bits. Okay, this is MSB, most significant bit, and this is LSB, least significant bit. this is 3 and this is A. So now your register content is 3A. This is applicable for all registers, not only this, all registers.